Okie dokie. For this section, we're going to talk about classes and objects. You've seen that we've been using strings and other data types throughout this course, and we created objects, right? So we have the actual class, which is the blueprint, and then when we say new, and then the actual keyword, so whether it's a new string or a new date and whatnot, at that point we create a new object. Now, in programming, everything is around objects, right? So as we build code, we want to model things in the real world. So let's just take a look at this mobile phone. So this is an iPhone right here, and we can actually model this through a class. So class is the blueprint, and then from that blueprint we can create a bunch of objects, i.e. phones, right? So let's in this section first understand basically every single bit that you need to know in order for us to create a class, and we're going to focus more on models, so representing things in the real world, phones, people, cars, so on and so forth, right? So we're going to focus on that first, understand everything that we need to understand, and then later we'll learn about different types of classes, right? Because they are classes for different purposes. There are classes for us to model the real world. There are classes for us to perform the business logic. There are classes that allows us to store data, so on and so forth. Don't worry, we're going to cover step by step, but for now, let's learn about objects and classes, or classes and objects. Cool, let's carry on.